picture. Look. Up. Quick. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Yeah.
Bus.
Yep, that's the bus.
Welcome back. This is episode 2 of the Hobbiton second breakfast tour, and this is my husband's capture and POV. No wasting time, just straight into it.
They did leave 17 Hobbit houses that the sheep actually moved in. And that was the end of the Lord of the Rings. And then we rebuilt the movie set for the Hobbit this time, permanent material. What's it called? 7 minutes for the Hobbit. 14 minutes for a 14-acre movie set. You're welcome. 3.5 hour tour with breakfast. And in the Hobbit, this is where Bilbo runs down. Wow, we got a video? Last member of the fellowship, alright. Hanging out here.
See?
But then you probably would have had to fight him. Just switch him. I'll switch them.
No, I see. No. No, I.
It's wet.
She just sat on the chair and it's wet. Oh no, I'm just talking to the camera. She sat on the chair and it's wet. Stand in Milo. Just stand here and see what it feels like. I'm just going to take a selfie. Ready? Yay, selfie of giants. We're going to follow the fellowship. Here if you need me. He said there was a cool. Yeah. No worries, thank you. Watch out. How good behind.
Oh.
Man, can't reach.
Okay, she said put it near the double doors and then we can just discover. So I'll let you go first. He's tall. You are a wizard.
Oh, cool.
Fire.
Yeah. Yeah, up, son. Up.
Oh, the double doors. Okay, son, come have a look. Hold hands. We have a look. Don't touch the fire, hot. So you're going to sit up. Sit on the chair.
No. Look. Look, hot. You're okay. Look. Stay here. Can you feel it? Is that warm?
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay. Come on, let's go.
It's alright.
What's that? No touching. Oh.
No touching. Look
can't
cool. Yeah.
You checked out the bedrooms yet?
Nah, not yet. Just trying to make sure he's don't touch anything.
You weren't allowed to touch them. Most things are good. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Look, Frodo. Oh, is that the bed? Look at the bed. Hold Daddy's hands, please. Look, oh, look the bathroom. Oh, cool. Yeah. Toothbrush. Is that the toilet? Oh man. Look, look, look. Oh, it don't open. Come on. Yeah, oh.
Wash your hands.
Say hi. Come, hands.
That's so cool.
Nice.
Another toilet.
Take him to the bunk beds where the kids' rooms are.
Yeah.
That's so cool. The mum was taking pictures of all the kids in Come, you wanna go look at the kids' room?
Come. We keep walking.
See?
Hands. Your hands. Hold Daddy. Hold Daddy's hands. Yeah. No touching.
That's so cool.
Okay, get toilet. Grab away.
Bye.
Open. Come on, let's go.
Oh no.
Oh, bye. Come on.
Bye.
Oh, sorry.
Come look in the room. Go look in the kids' room.
Look my head.
Come, kids' room. Look. That's so cool. That's so cool. You can climb the ladder. Yes.
What a detail, eh?
Alrighty,
So
lovely people. The second half of the Hobbiton has just opened up, so if you're interested in heading through to the kitchen, the dining room, the pantry, the study, and the laundry.
is she saying that we got to move on to the next one too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
One more minute.
1 more minute and then there. Wow. Are you laid down? Lay down, have a sleep.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Up.
Okay, and time
Watch
to
your
get
head,
up.
careful your head.
Careful your head. Dunk, dunk, dunk.
Ah.
Come on. Good job. Turn around.
Mama, going to the
And it's connected to the main bedroom.
Alrighty then, folks. So,
Come on. Hands on. We go to the next room. Come on. And next room.
We go back to the lounge.
Hold Daddy's hand.
We have 2 kids in the house with taller. You took it perfect.
oh, you're fine. You can go. Go. You're fine.
Sorry, guys. Yeah, in the chair.
Sit down, baby. We gotta go.
Son, in the chair.
So my house is beautiful. I'll see more of the house.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go see the house.
Through that corridor, there's the kitchen.
Sweet.
Oh, rooms.
Do you wanna go first?
Yeah. It's the food.
Not actual water. The tablet sink.
Yeah. No touching. Oh, wait, sit down.
Yeah, sure. If you follow that round, the back door's open.
Come, turn around. Come. Look, can you see outside?
Wow. Look at that.
That looks cool. Yeah. Come, hands, please. Toy? Look at the toy.
We?
I just took it outside.
Yeah. We went to the door. I did the window, sorry. Come, son. Hands, hands. Hands.
Oh my goodness, look at that little Hobbit baby ship.
Wow. That's like,
It's like a newborn.
what does it say on the menu?
The seed cups,
Yeah.
teapot, a teapot, a teapot,
Yes, that is a teapot.
cup, ooh, upstairs.
Let me go have a look at the other room. That's what it's about, baby.
Around the house.
Yeah, we see around the house in the kitchen.
Look, Sam. Look, the toilet's finished.
Oh, this is what he was.
Well, yeah, in the movie would have been his room, or like a study.
Cup.
Just need to record your head and your struggles.
I know, right?
Check it out. Isn't it cool? It's good.
Here's Maggie. Here's Maggie.
The vegetables.
Come.
Come on. The
Come on.
red cup. Fizzy. Ooh.
Come on.
If you push it down, really fast.
Come on. A spin. A stick.
No.
Oh, you can spin it.
Tell Daddy, tell Daddy. Look, look, look.
It's a well. Look, it's a well.
Oh, wait, look.
In the window. Everything's glued down. It's so good.
Oh, cool.
Oh, you can lift it up. That's cool. Up, down.
Leave it, leave it, leave it.
All right, all done. Okay, all done, all done, all done. Good job.
Don't do the noisy one.
Come, son. Hands, hands. What? Would that go in there?
No,
Ah.
it's exactly the same.
Right, I'm gonna see everybody. We're
Come,
going
come,
to
come,
do
come.
our second-
Leave it, leave it.
It's second breakfast time. Come on through.
Come on.
Come on through.
Shucks. Were we
Let's
allowed to go through here?
Huh?
Were we allowed to come through here?
Oh no, you snuck in.
Come
I didn't see anything. Come on through. Come on.
on, come on. Let's
We're
go
gonna
out, 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 out. Out, out. Oh, cool. There's the mill.
Spinning wheels. Spinning
We're gonna find
wheels.
another house too. It's a spinning wheel. It's a water wheel. Yeah. Oh, you love that.
So you can just mill around. You can just stay out here, have a seat. If you need to have like 3 meals, short nap, have a bit of a break. Come back in, have dessert. Okay. Now, if you need toilets, down the stairs.
Thanks again for watching this and walking through the whole tour with us. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe. Thanks!